Hi, I'm Brad. I am the head development brewer at Northern Brewer, and today we'd like to take a minute to tell you about our newest beer kit, the Lime Tree Lager. And here to do that with me is my buddy Limey the Gator, and we're having nothing but a great time back here. And if there's one thing that this beer exudes, it's pure leisure. And to tell you a little bit about the Lime Tree Lager, it's really about as simple as it gets. We're talking 2-row, a little bit of flaked rice, a clean lager yeast, and then at the end, before it gets packaged, we do flavor it with some lime powder, and the result is an amazingly chuggable, fantastically crisp, super refreshing, light lime lager. And you can see I'm having a great time. Be a lime gator, not a hater. Just beam me with a lime.
Oh, we can have lime.
Ooh.
Oh.
Put some limes in the pool. One thing that's really great about the lime powder is it's actual real lime. It's basically just dehydrated lime, a little bit of citric acid is added back in, so you get that perfect nice lime flavor and also a little bit of that tartness you'd associate with fresh citrus. And as you might be able to hear in the background, it is a great lawnmower beer. My neighbor is lawn mowing while I'm drinking beer, so everything's working out perfectly leisurely, as expected. This is gonna be a tough one to edit, I think. It's just so many different random clips. Hey, thanks for coming, buddies. The lime is definitely there. It's not overpowering, but it's there. And it just makes it even that much more refreshing, especially when it's a balmy 87 degrees. Man, it's like adult limeade. I could drink way too much of this. You can find the Lime Tree Lager at northernbrewer.com. It is available in both extract and all grain versions. Pool not included. Limey loves it. It's gonna be the most ridiculous marketing video we've ever done.